Hello friends, welcome to Ecom Corner. This is Abhishek. Friends, today I'm going to show you a very impressive results from one of our customers who receive payouts from eBay every single day. You can see the customer received $557 on July 31st and $242, $79, $310, $787. Similarly, you can see these payouts coming every single day: July 31st, July 30, July 29, 28, 27. So you can see every single day customer getting payouts while dropshipping on eBay. So you can see the customer received $490 payouts on July 15, and similarly you can see every single day customer getting a good amount of payouts from eBay with dropshipping through Ecom Corner. So friends, if you would like to start your online business dropshipping in US marketplaces, so we can help you out with that to generate a good income every month. You can achieve every month $10,000 minimum through us. So what are you waiting for, my friends? Please join your hands through Ecom Corner and start your journey today. Thank you so much. Have a good day.